Hello everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips, and we're going to be doing another video on theming. So what does that mean? It means taking your existing Linux desktop and making it look like something else. In this video we're going to be covering Windows 10. Before I get started, this is the part of the video where I tell you that it is best to do this with the Cinnamon desktop environment. I'm doing this on Linux Mint, which comes with the Cinnamon desktop, and if you want to get a hassle-free way of using Cinnamon, download that. Otherwise, you can get the Cinnamon desktop on pretty much any other Linux distribution. I will also let you know that we have a complete list of how to get this going, all the commands, everything you need to know about how to make it work with individual desktop environments in the description below, but please keep in mind that it works best with Cinnamon, and we make the case in those articles, and that's because Cinnamon is modern and things just look better on it. It's also easier to theme for the average user. That doesn't mean you're forced to use Cinnamon. Don't take it that way, but it's just best this way. We're gonna run the commands, but I'm going to run it from a script like I always do, just to speed things up. So let's go ahead and do that. Now this is going to go through and grab everything we need for themes. Got to install the Git package. Please make sure that you have Git, because you will not be able to download the themes through the command line. As you can see, it's going through and it's cloning everything and putting all the files exactly where they need to be. The icon theme seems to not have moved right, so I will have to do that manually. Okay, so once we get everything where it needs to be, right click on the panel and then select themes, and then you'll need to go to the theme editor. So to start off, let's go with the Windows borders. So Windows 10 has this very specific look, so you need to select the Windows 10 option. Then for icons, we select Windows 10 icons, and that will change it to what the icons on Windows 10 look like. Then we go to controls, and we have 3 to select. So we've got Windows 10, the default, we've got the dark, and the dark Metro. I'm going to do the default first. And I need to go to desktop and select Windows 10 as well. Then I need to go to the menu here, click configure, custom icon, and let's erase that. Maybe we don't need to use the custom icon, but that is how that looks. You can also write start if you'd like. You can put a space. You might need to move some stuff from the panel just to make things look a little neater. And you can go back and change to different themes for the desktop itself. So we could go to Windows 10 Dark, and that just changes to a dark theme. We could change it to Windows 10 Metro, which slims it down a little bit and adds a little bit more flair to it. And the Windows borders we can change as well, so we can go Windows 10 Dark, which is what we're using here. We can do Windows 10 Metro, which is identical to what we were using with this. And we go to the controls, same for that, Windows 10 Dark and Windows 10 Metro. Pretty much just changes a few things. I would say that the most neat looking would be select Windows 10 for both of these, and then you pick your theme here. And it doesn't look exactly like Windows 10, like I always say in these videos, but it's pretty dang close. And if you're looking to get something for a relative setup where they think that, okay, I'm using Windows even though I'm really not, this is a good solution. It might not be perfect, and you might not be able to fool them 100% of the time, but you should be able to do a very, very good, it should be a very good effort. Anyways, this is how to theme your Linux desktop to look like Windows 10. I will see you in the next video.